Hello students, let's do Algebra exercise 14C question 9. This is found on page number 156. Question 9, find the product of these two terms. So let's multiply xy into xy. So that will be x into x into y into y. So that is x to the power of 1 plus 1 into y to the power of 1 plus 1, which is x square into y square. So let's write it down here, which will finally become x square y square. So let's write it down as x square y square. Now let's take xy into minus ab. So here minus into plus will become minus. So let's keep that number in mind. Now there's only one x. So let's write x into, there's only one y, only one a and only one b. So it becomes minus xy ab. So let's write that down here. Minus xy ab. Now we go on to AB into XY. So again here we have A, 1A, 1B, 1X and 1Y. So that will be ABXY. Okay, so it's the same as what we have written here, XYAB. So I'll put it in that same order. X, this is plus XYAB. So now let's multiply AB into AB. So that is A into A into B into B. So what do we get? A to the power of 1 plus 1 into B to the power of 1 plus 1, A square B square. So here that is plus. So let's write, we have a minus sign there. So that becomes minus. So it is minus A square B square. So let's put it all together, x square y square. Now here minus and plus will get cancelled, so this is 0. And here we have minus a square b square. So what is our final answer? X square y square minus a square b square. Question 2, we have multiplication of two binomials, which I have written down. Now let's start with 2abc into 2abc. So let's start. So that will be 2 into 2 into A into A into B into B into C into C. So 2 2s are 4 into A to the power of 1 plus 1 into B to the power of 1 plus 1 into C to the power of 1 plus 1. So this becomes 4, A to the power of 2, B to the power of 2 and C to the power of 2. So A square, 4A square, B square, C square. Now we multiply 2ABC into minus 3xy. So 2 into minus 3 into, we just have everything in single cell. So let's write 1A, 1B, 1C, 1x and 1y. So let's work this out. Minus into plus is minus. 2 3s are 6. Now let's write A, B, C, x, y. So let's write that down here. Minus 6. A, B, C, x, y. Now let's multiply 3xy into 2abc. So that is 3 into 2. Again, we have only singles here. X into y into a into b into c. So what does that becomes? 3 2s are 6. Again, we can write in order a, b, c, x, y. So that is plus 6abc, xy. Let's write it down below this. Plus 6 a, B, C, X, Y. Now let's multiply plus 3xy into minus 3xy. So the signs 3 into minus 3, x into x into y into y. So minus into plus is minus, 3 3s are 9, x to the power of 1 plus 1 and y to the power of 1 plus 1. So here we get minus 9x square y square. So that's written separately, minus 9x square y square. So what is our answer here? 4a square b square c square. Now plus and minus here becomes 0, and the last one is minus 9x square y square. So our final answer here will be 4 a square b square c square minus 9x square y square. Question 3, we have a plus b minus c into 2a minus 3b. So first let's multiply 2a into a. So 2a into a, that is 2 into a, which is 2 into a to the power of 1 plus 1. So that is 2a to the power of 2, which is 2a square. So now that we've finished with a, let's multiply 2a into b. So 2a into b will be 2 into a into b, which is 2ab. So let's write that plus 2ab. So we've finished with plus b. Now let's do with minus c. So that will be 2a into minus c. So that is minus 1c. So the numbers will be 2 into minus 1 and the literals will be a into c. So here minus into plus is minus, 2 into 1 is 2 into a into c, which is minus 2ac. So let's write that down, minus 2ac. So we have finished with 2a. Now let's do with minus 3b and a. So minus 3b into a. So that is minus 3 into b into a, which is minus 3ba or minus 3ab. So let's see if there's a column for that. Yes, minus 3. We have an AB column here. We'll put it here. Now we take minus 3b into plus b. So minus 3b into b. So that is minus 3 into b, which is minus 3 into b to the power of 1 plus 1 minus 3b raised to the power of 2. So we don't have a column for that. We'll write that separately, minus 3b raised to the power of 2. Now let's take minus 3b and minus c. So minus 3b into minus c, that is 1c. So the numbers will be minus 3 into minus 1 and the literals will be b into c. So minus into minus is plus, 3 ones are 3, bc. We don't have a column for bc, so let's write it separately, plus 3bc. So now let's add it up, 2a square. Now when we go to the column AB, signs are different, so let's put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1, AB, minus 2ac, minus 3b square, plus 3bc. So the next question is 5x minus 6y minus 7z, and we multiply it by 2x plus 3y. So let's start this multiplication. First we multiply with 2x and 5x. So that will be 2 into 5 and into x into x. So 2 5s are 10 into x to the power of 1 plus 1, which is 10x to the power of 2, or it is 10x squared. So we are done with minus 5x. So now we have to move on to the next one. So that is 2x into minus 6y. So let's write the numbers first, 2 into minus 6, and then we have 1x and we have 1y. So plus into minus is minus because this will be plus. 2 6s are 12, x, y. So let's write that minus 12, x, y. Now we multiply 2x into minus 7z. Let's take the numbers 2 into minus 7 and then we have 1x and 1z. So that makes it 2 into 7 is 14 minus 14xz. So let's write that minus 14xz. Now we're going to start taking 3y and 5x. So let's multiply 3y into 5x. Let's take only the numbers 3 into 5 and we have 1x and 1y. So this becomes 3 5s are 15 xy. Let's put it in the column where there is xy. So here we have xy. So that becomes plus 15 xy. Now let's take minus 3y and minus 6y. So let's do that. It's plus 3y into minus 6y. So 3 into minus 6 into, now we have two y's, y into y. Let's multiply this. Minus 3 6 are 18 into y to the power of 1 plus 1, which is minus 18y squared. We don't have a column, so we'll write it separately. Minus 18y squared. So now we are taking plus 3y and minus 7z. So let's multiply the numbers. 3 into minus 7, then into, we have 1y and 1z. So this becomes minus 3 7s are 21 yz. So we don't have a column, we'll write it separately. Minus 21 yz. So let's do it all now. 10x squared. Now here signs are different. Let's put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 15 minus 12, 3. 3xy minus 14xz minus 18y square and minus 21yz. So this is our answer. Next question, let's work this out. So first we have arranged them vertically in columns. Now we're going to multiply 2x into 5x. First the numbers 2 into 5 into x into x. So that becomes 2 5s are 10 into x to the power of 1 plus 1, which makes it 10x to the power of 2. So let's write it down here first. So here we have 10x to the power of 2. Now we are going to multiply 2x into minus 6y. So the numbers are 2 into minus 6. We have 1x and 1y. Now let's multiply. Plus into minus is minus. 2 6's are 12xy. So let's write that minus 12xy. Now we're going to multiply 2x into minus 7z. So that is 2 into minus 7 into x into z. So plus into minus is minus. 2 7s are 14 xz. So here we get minus 14 xz. Now we're going to take the next term 3y. We are going to multiply it by 5x. 3y into 5x. So the numbers are 3 into 5 and the letters are into y into x. So 3 5s are 15 xy. So we've got 15xy plus 15xy. Let's put it in the right column. So here we have plus 15xy. Now let's take minus plus 3y into minus 6y. So 3y into minus 6y. So the numbers are 3 into minus 6 and we have y into y. So we have minus 18 into y to the power of 1 plus 1, which is minus 18y squared. Now we don't have a column for that, so we'll continue writing it here. Minus 18y squared. Now we're going to multiply 3y into minus 7z. So 3 into minus 7 into y into z. We just have one of each. Now 3 into minus 7 is minus 21yz. Okay, so here we don't have a column for that, so we're going to continue writing minus 21yz. So we finished multiplying with 3y. Now we're going to start multiplying with z. So let's start multiplying z into 5x. So we have the number 5 into 1z into 1x. So put it in order 5xz. So see if there is a column for xz. We have a column for xz. So let's write it there. Plus 5xz. Now we'll take the next term z into minus y. So that is minus 6y. So minus 6 will remain the same. We have 1z and we have 1y. So let's make it minus 6 in order yz. Do we have a yz? Yes. So let's put it there. So this becomes minus 6yz. Now let's take the next two terms z into minus 7z. So that will become minus 7 into z to the power of 1 plus 1. Z into z, isn't it? So that becomes minus 7z square. So do we have a column for that? Z square we don't have, so we'll write it separately. Minus 7z square. Now let's work out everything. So here we have 10x squared. Then we have xy, signs are different, sign of the bigger number and subtract. 15 minus 12 is 3xy. Again here we have two terms for xz, signs are different, put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 14 minus 5 is 9, 9xz. Then we have minus 18y square. Then we have yz, we have two numbers there. Signs are the same, put the same sign and add. 21 plus 6 is 27yz and the last one is minus 7z square. Moving on to question 6. So let's start multiplying now. We start with a into 2a. So that becomes a into a and we have into 2. So the number is 2 into a to the power of 1 plus 1, which is 2a to the power of 2. So let's write it down, 2a square. Now we're going to multiply a into 3b. So the number is 3 into this 1a and there is 1b. So this becomes 3ab. So it is plus 3ab. Now we multiply a into minus 4c. So we have minus 4 as a number. We have 1a and 1c. So it is minus 4ac. So let's write it down as minus 4ac. Now we finished multiplying with a. We're going to multiply with minus b. So let's start. The first one is b minus b into 2a. So that is minus 1. Okay. So let's multiply the numbers. Minus 1 into 2 into a into b. This 1a, 1b. Minus into plus is minus. 1 2s are 2, a, b. So see there's a column for a, b and put it under that. Yes, there is a column. So minus 2a, b. Now we're going to multiply minus b into plus 3b. So we have our numbers here. So let's write it down. Minus 1 into 3 into b into b. There are two b's. So when signs are different here, minus into plus becomes minus. 1 3s are 3 into b to the power of 1 plus 1, which makes it minus 3b square. We don't have a column, so let's write separately. Minus 3b square. Now let's multiply minus b into minus 4c. So let's take the numbers first. Minus 1 into minus 4 and then we have 1b and 1c. Minus into minus is plus. 1 4s are 4, b, c. Do we have a column for b, c? We don't have, so let's write it separately. Plus 4, b, c. Now we finish with b, we're going to take c. Okay, let's take minus c into 2a. So I have put minus 1c. So let's take the numbers. Minus 1 into 2 and then we have 1c and 1a. So minus into plus is minus. 1 2s are 2. I'll rearrange it and write ac. So look and see if there is a column for ac. Yes, there is one. So let's write below that minus 2ac. Now we have to take c and 3b. So let's multiply minus c into 3b. So the numbers are minus 1 into 3 into c. There's 1c and there is 1b. So minus into plus is minus. 1 3s are 3. cb, I'll rearrange and write bc. Now do we have a bc somewhere? Yes, we have. So let's write minus 3 bc. Now we take c and minus 4c. So that is minus c into minus 4c. We'll take the numbers here, minus 1 into minus 4. Now we have the c and c. So minus into minus is plus, 1 fours are 4 into c to the power of 1 plus 1, which is plus 4c squared. Do we have a c squared column? We don't have, so we'll write it separately, plus 4c squared. Now let's work out everything. So this is 2a squared. Signs are different for ab, so we'll put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1ab. Going to AC, signs are the same. We'll put the same sign. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6AC. Then we have minus 3B squared. Going to CB column, signs are different. Put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 4 minus 3 is 1. BC. And the last one is 4C squared. So this is our answer. 2A squared plus 1AB minus 6AC minus 3B squared plus 1bc plus 4c squared. With that, we come to the end of this exercise. Thank you, children.